Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. We'll do the outside, the inside. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get the outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you're going to see, there are no major dents, dings, no huge scratches on this vehicle whatsoever. Get down on the tires here in just a moment. Get down here on tire size for you. Let that focus. If this helps you at all, I'm going to get that in there the best I can for you. Tires are dang near new, if not brand new. I'll get both angles as well so you can see without a doubt. Alright, let's get the inside condition and features. Condition of the leather. A little bit of wear on the leather. Not sure if that's going to be repaired or not. Just give us a call or a text and I'll let you know if that's been put on order. Normally we wait for our vendors to come in and do repairs on the seats, so we might be waiting on them. So just give us a text again. Alright, let's get some features up front here. Put this seat back. I apologize, folks. Steering wheel controls here. The media center. The 6-speed manual, as you can see. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood, see what we got. Then we'll turn it over for you. Give me one moment. There we go. Alrighty. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here for folks, just because chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few and you know what you're looking for. Just want to get it in here the best I can for you. Now, mind you, all of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, inspect for oil leaks. If anything ever needs to be fixed, we fix it. I encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. And well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. It's a huge reason why I love working here. We really do take care of our product and our clients. As you can see, there are the miles. No check engine lights. There's a media center here. The stereo works well. Alright, let's go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Excuse me. As you can see, it is purring along beautifully. This is definitely a little rocket ship. Well, hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, you can request information on what we've done to the vehicle when it went through the diag inspection process. Happy to provide it. Just give us a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.